To set up a practitioner in your system, you will be logged in as an administrator and go to Settings, Practitioners, New Practitioner. I'm going to walk through the fields that you must have set up in order to get the practitioner started. Under their first name, I'm going to type in their first name, their last name. Under the credentials, this is where you can type in the type of practitioner they are and their license number if you like. This field will appear on the invoices for your patient's information if they're submitting an invoice to insurance. Under the group, they are a physiotherapist. And under the email, this is where you will add in their email address so that they can receive automated notifications of patient booking and cancellations. Under the practitioner type field, we'll select physiotherapist, select their default clinic if they have one. If they work at more than one location, you could leave it to no default or select the clinic they work most frequently at. The scheduling interval, I'm setting this to 15 minutes. Their schedule will show, for example, 9 o'clock, 9:15, 9:30, 9:45, and so on. That's all we need on this page, and then at the bottom, apply changes. You will be prompted that you must set a username, select OK, and we are entering in their email address as their username and putting in a password, matching the criteria that's required beneath it. Under the user type, we will select practitioner as their user type. If you have access to user types, you are able to edit these user types located under settings and user types. That is where you will grant and restrict access to features and options on the system. Under the patient profile access, these are the options that you have to select from. And for this training, I will show you all profiles and then again apply changes. Now I am going to the Clinic Access tab and make sure that the location the practitioner is working at is selected so they have access to all of the patients and details for that location. And then I'm going to the Practitioner Access. This is who Lucas will see when he logs on to Giovanno on the schedule. The two main areas are individual practitioner access and primary group. Under individual, I can add each and every practitioner individually, which could take me a while to do. So we have the primary group access so that instead of adding individual physiotherapist names to the schedule, I can simply add a group and select the physiotherapist group, access appointment dates and charts selected, and add. Now, when Lucas is logged in, he will have access to all the physiotherapist schedules, tasks, and charts. You can still, in addition, add different practitioner names that you want this practitioner to see. And then you apply changes. The next is the Preferences tab. Under the time between appointments, you can enter in an automated break after every appointment. Under the profile picture, you can add a photo of the practitioner if they're going to be showing in the patient portal. And you can upload a signature from your computer, and this signature can appear on your patient invoices. Those are the basics on how to get started with a practitioner. Once you've completed all of those, go down to the bottom and save and exit.